It started as a simple drive, just me, the road, and the quiet promise of something more. The engine hummed steadily beneath me, each gear shift smooth, almost effortless. The kind of drive where you don't rush, you just let the road unfold. Central Kenya has a way of pulling you in slowly, not with noise, but with presence. And as the road stretched ahead, I had a feeling this would be just another drive. As I climbed high into the highlands, everything began to change. The air, the colder, fresher, like every breath was being reset. Clouds rolled gently over the hills, almost close enough to touch, casting short shadows over the land below. This is the kind of deep beauty you don't plan for. It just finds you. The roads carved perfectly through the landscape, as if they were designed not just for travel, but for experience. Every corner revealed something new, a wider view. Deeper valleys, and that endless feeling of freedom. Out here, time slows down. You stop thinking about where you're going and start appreciating where you are. This is what true trips are meant for. Now this is Central Kenya. Everything seems and feels cool. Hakuna kuforce kitu. You're just breathing fresh air. You're away from the city and everything is calm. I love this. This is great. You should take a drive here. Away from the chaos. Away from everything. Just you, the winds, the clouds, and great scenery of the Aberdares. It's a great experience. Join me for this adventure. I had to stop. Some moments aren't meant for to be driven past. They are meant to be captured. A quick break, a few photos, but honestly, no camera does this justice. This is one of those places you just have to feel. Behind us, right? A tunnel beneath the road, water flowing right through it, not planned, not expected. There's something about it, called for it. Just one of those moments where logic steps aside and adventure takes over. Slowly, carefully, I went in. Water rushing beneath, air was bouncing off the walls, the car pushing through like the long thing. Adrenaline kicking instantly. Every second felt alive. Unpredictable. Raw. Just like that. It turned from a simple drive into something unforgettable. But now, everything felt different. The journey carried me through the Murima towns. Quiet, grounded, full of life in their own rhythm. Small shops, people going about their day. A reminder that adventure isn't just in the landscapes. It's in the people, the culture, the movement. And ahead, the Aberdares. You could feel them before you fully saw them. That presence, that depth. The road kept winding, pulling me deeper into the highlands. Then out of nowhere, waterfalls, raw, untouched, just flowing freely like nature showing off. Moments like this don't last long, but they stay with you. You don't stop them, you don't question them, you just take them in. And just like that, it became a rhythm. Drive, breathe, look around, repeat. The engine came alive with every stretch of open road. A steady reminder that this machine was built for this. Every rev, every pull, it felt connected. The views kept shifting, from rolling hills to open stretches, from dense greenery to white skies. And somewhere along the way, you stop being a driver. You become part of the journey. No pressure, no noise, just movements and moments. There's something about long drives like this to clear your mind. You think less and feel more. And maybe that's what makes it worth it. Not the destination, but everything in between. And through it all, one thing stayed consistent. The AE100. Simple, reliable, but incredibly capable. This is just a car. It's a companion. It doesn't complain. It doesn't hold back. It just keeps going. Through smooth roads, rough patches, even moments you didn't plan for, it shows up. And honestly, cars like this change how you experience life. They turn ordinary drives into real adventures. So, if you made this far, you already understand the vibe. Make sure you subscribe the video, like the video, and share it with someone who needs to get out and just drive. Because trust me, this is only the beginning. More roads to explore, more stories to tell, and many more adventures ahead.
It's a village, forever.
Yeah.